Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. Yeah, now we are coming to this part. It says, what is meant by the term structural isomerism? Yes, what is meant by structural isomerism? What is it? Structural isomerism is the existence of a compound with the same molecular formula but different structure formula. So that is that. Then we come to structural isomers. What are they? Structural isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Then comes this question. It says, state any three types of structural isomers. These examples are functional, isomers. Okay. Chain isomers. Then position isomers. And there are more. You'll find them at a stage higher than this. But these are the three examples which are typical of this level. Okay. Then comes this question. It says, consider the molecular formula below. Okay. And the question says, state whether the formula is for alkane, alkene, or alkyne and explain your answer. Okay, this is the formula we are talking about. That's the molecular formula. But the question is it for alkane, alkene, or alkyne? The answer is alkane. Then they said, why? Why alkane? Reason is that this formula obeys the general formula of alkane. So the answer is that it conforms to the general formula of alkanes. What is it? Which is CN H2N plus 2. Okay. Then comes another question. It says, state whether the formula is for saturated or unsaturated compound. Okay. We said the formula is for alkane. Why? because it conforms to the general formula of alkane. And alkanes are saturated. So answer is saturated. Saturated because all it has maximum number of hydrogen atoms attached. So comes this question. It says, write all the possible structural isomers of the molecular formula above and write the IUPAC name of each. Okay, how do you go about this one? Let us try and construct. It has 5 carbon atoms. So the first one is going to be C, 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 C. Those are 5. So let us indicate the number of bonds missing. This one has 1, so it's missing 3. We have to remember that carbon must exercise a covariance of 4. This one has 2, it's missing 2. This one has 2, it's missing 2. This one has 2, it's missing 2. This one is missing 3. Okay. And what is the UPAC name of this? It's a straight line or straight chain without a branch. So the UPAC name is pentane. Then we got the next one. We can have this one and that one and that one and that one. Those are 4 with a branch here. So let us try to find out the missing bond. This one's missing 3. This one's missing 1. This one's missing 2. This one's missing 3. This one's missing 3. And what is the name? The name is 2-methyl butane. Okay. Then we look at the last one. It can be 1, 2, 3. So remember there are 5 carbon atoms. We can have a branch here. And we can have a branch here. And this one has 1, is missing 3. And this one is missing 3. What is the name? The name is 2, because it is one, we are going to have 1, 2, 3. It's 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Or we can simply say dimethyl propane. Why? Because there is no any possible position. The only position we'll have is this one, is 2. So if there's no any other alternative position, we can ignore naming the position. The same applies to the first one. Remember, we called this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have another alternative position for this one? Because if we shift this methyl group to this one, it will still be 2. So we can as well say methyl butane, ignoring the position. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PA SSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Yes.